Rattrap Productions, where we teach you how to do stuff. Today I'm just going to put together some red sauce beef enchiladas, and start by making a side dish of Spanish rice. Get that all nice and thick, and then you're going to saute ground beef, taco seasoning, onion, and red bell pepper. Spanish rice. We get some red enchilada sauce, some refried beans, some chopped green chilies, a little bit of organic fire roasted corn, and cheddar cheese, and flour tortillas. Okay, you're going to assemble your enchiladas. You want to pour the just about a quarter of a can of enchilada sauce on the bottom of the pan, and you can just assemble your enchiladas by putting a spoonful of everything in a tortilla. A corn tortilla or a flour tortilla. So just a couple of spoonfuls of the meat and pepper mix, a couple of spoonfuls of the Spanish rice, a spoonful of corn, and beans. Well, cheese. You want to roll it up. You can use the beans to help secure the roll and place it in the pan. You're going to end by pouring the rest of your red enchilada sauce over the top. And then we're going to top with a Mexican blend of shredded cheese. A couple variations we do with this dish. Sometimes we use green enchilada sauce, and then we use chicken instead of beef, and sometimes we use corn tortillas. And we're going to bake it in the oven at 350 degrees for about a half hour. This is Rattrap Productions, where we show you how to do things. Today we made a batch of red sauce enchiladas.